Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison.network. So I'm very excited to introduce you to not to say new things, but it's just that first thing for myself. It's called the Metallic Car Fragrance Holder by Bath and Body Works. Before we do the unboxing or look into the product, so let's look into some of the pictures and also details. Okay, there's only one picture. So the price is 28, right? And then this is the details. That's it. Okay. All right. So let's unboxing. Not unboxing. Look into the details. So it's metallic, but it's not. It's still plastic. It's not metal or what. Okay. So by the side. Okay. This. The back. Bath and Body Works, and in China. Okay, then this behind for the event. Okay, classic, and for the clip, so become like this. It's a bit shaky, this one actually, not really sturdy. So like that, the opening. Okay, then I'm gonna put it back. Okay, and yeah, by the way, behind. Okay, then this. The design was good. Okay, right. So inside this one, open like that. The IB.com patterns. Yeah. How if I have to open it? Oh, got it. Yay! Put this aside. Something like that. Clean view. Okay, so that's the product. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.